Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the Unit Fundamentals of Chemistry. In this video, we will explore the core principles of chemistry essential for medicine. You will gain a clear understanding of key concepts and learn how mastering these fundamentals can support your success as an aspiring medical professional. The Fundamentals of Chemistry unit is accredited by Ascentis. It carries 3 credits at Level 3. The assessment is a written assignment with no specified word count. Grading is based on Ascentis grades 1 to 3. Accuracy and scientific language are crucial for success. This assignment must be completed independently. A periodic table and calculator are essential tools. The unit builds foundational chemical knowledge for medicine. Accuracy and structure are paramount. Attempt all questions and sub-questions thoroughly. The unit covers 4 key learning outcomes. LO1 focuses on atomic structure and the periodic table. LO2 delves into chemical bonding and material properties. LO3 involves formulae and chemical equations. LO4 includes moles, masses, and solution calculations. Explore the properties of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Understand atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. Learn to deduce electronic structures up to Z equals 36. Discover the periodic table's arrangement using electronic configuration. Calculate relative atomic mass from isotopic abundance. Use labeled atomic diagrams where needed. Complete tables with accuracy. Show all calculations clearly. Apply correct symbols and units. Provide answers to correct significant figures. Understand ionic, covalent, metallic, and dative covalent bonding. Use dot and cross diagrams accurately. Connect bonding types to physical properties. Explain lattice structures and melting point trends. Explore intermolecular forces, including hydrogen bonding. Draw neat, clearly labeled diagrams. Use scientific terminology accurately. Link structure directly to properties. Provide examples from period 3 where necessary. Ensure clarity and precision in your explanations. Learn to deduce formulae of common ionic compounds. Name ionic compounds correctly. Write balanced symbol equations. Include state symbols in all equations. Balance complex equations with accuracy. Check charges when forming ionic formulae. Use brackets correctly for polyatomic ions. Ensure equations are fully balanced. Include correct state symbols. Pay attention to detail in all equations. Calculate molar masses accurately. Convert between mass and moles seamlessly. Determine solution concentrations precisely. Convert between cubic centimeters and cubic decimeters. Perform multi-step molar calculations effectively. Write down formulas before calculating. Show full workings for all calculations. Use correct units throughout. Apply correct significant figures consistently. Ensure clarity in your quantitative work. Grade 1 requires accurate completion of questions. Grade 2 demonstrates very good understanding and application. Grade 3 reflects excellent depth, accuracy, and precision. Higher grades need correct diagrams, notation, and calculations. Strive for excellence in all areas. All work must be your own. Reference all sources using Harvard style. Avoid copying from textbooks or online sources. Plagiarism and malpractice are not permitted. Maintain academic integrity throughout your work. Utilize A-level chemistry textbooks for in-depth study. Explore online resources like ChemGuide and BBC Bite-Size Chemistry. Engage with tutor-provided learning materials. These resources will enhance your understanding. Make the most of these valuable learning tools. This resource was created by UKversity Online. It includes third-party materials where specified. UKversity's name and logos are unregistered trademarks. All rights are reserved by UKversity. Comply with license terms for reproductions. Conclusion. In summary, the insights presented in this video offer valuable guidance for your ongoing development in the medical field. Integrating these lessons into your practice will enhance both your knowledge and professional growth as you progress in your medical journey. If you have any questions, simply WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will gladly provide support. Thank you, and see you in the next session.